Hello everyone, I just wanted to shoot a quick video on how to take the keycaps off the Xiaomi notebook, because these switches are quite finicky and you can easily break them. So just take a small, or rather slim, credit card, slide it underneath the key. So we'll do it like this, from one corner at a time. You push it up and you hear a click, like this. You should hear two clicks from two sides, and after that the key just pops right off. I'm gonna show you the underside of the key too. So we have like these two latches. So that's how the key actually attaches itself back to the keyboard. Let's attach it back the way it came from. So just place it, and well, you should just push it in. You should hear two clicks, and well, that's about it. Goodbye.